Welcome back. Let us continue with our lesson. Now, we recap again. We look into our concept map. Now, the focus is to look into defining each concept. So we will be defining what is quality control, what is quality assurance, what is quality management, and what is quality performance. Let us start. The first part is to define what is quality. This is quality that we look into in order to make sure that customers are happy. So what do we mean by quality? We are focusing on the product to say a product should be able to achieve this state. Quality refers to the ability of goods and services to satisfy a specific need. Furthermore, when we are looking into quality of a service, we are saying now this is the efficiency of a goods or a service and the ability to provide effective outcomes without too many delays. Remember, with a service, it would be offered by a hair salon. So the salon would offer a service and they should make sure that they offer effective outcomes without too many delays, because that can lead to a customer not being happy. But with the product should be able to satisfy the specific need. It doesn't matter how much it costs, but it should be able to satisfy the specific need in order for the customer to be happy. But remember, when we are talking about a service, then we should make sure that it is offering effective outcomes without too many delays. Then we move now into the first quality concept, which is quality control. What do we mean by quality control? This refers to a system that ensures that desired quality is met by inspecting the final product to ensure that it meets the required standard. So this is a process of inspecting the final product. So what would happen is that the business is going to produce. After producing, they have to inspect the final product to ensure that it has met the required standards. Moreover, they also have to check their raw materials, employees, and machinery to ensure that high quality standards are maintained. That's another way in which quality control is being done. It includes, again, measuring performance of what now? Measuring performance of the final product and taking corrective measures. So basically, this is a process of either approving or declining the quality of the product. So that's what we mean with quality assurance. So that's what we mean with quality control. Then this is what would happen. So as we can see, the production for the soft drinks is done already, but what is he doing now? Is inspecting there to ensure that the quality is achieved according to standards, and we call that quality control. And as we can see here, the car is done, the production of the car is done, so they're inspecting to ensure that everything is proper in order for the final consumer to be satisfied. So that's what we mean with quality control, the inspection of the final product. Now we move to another concept, which is quality assurance. What do we mean with quality assurance now? It refers to checks carried out during and after the production process. So this would happen during the process of producing. During the process of making the car, you'd have to check during to ensure what? Why is that happening? To ensure that required standards have been met at every stage of the process. The process of painting the car, in the process of installing the wheels, in the process of installing the doors, the quality has to be met. And this would happen during the process of making the product. Why is the checks carried out during? To ensure again that every process is aimed at getting the product right the first time and prevent mistakes from happening. Hence, it is important to check during the process and during the production to ensure that you get the product right the first time and prevent mistakes from happening. Now, this is what would be happening. The checks would be carried out during the process of making the car. So as you can see here, the production is taking place. So the checks would be done during, while the car is being made, as you can see in this picture. And then in the process of making the soft drink again, the checks is being done. This is being inspected. The taste is being inspected to say, is this an orange tasting soft drink or not? So this is considered to be quality assurance. Remember, what is key is that the checks are carried out during the production, during the process of making the product. Then, let me check and verify if you understood. Identify the difference between quality control and assurance using the pictures. We have picture A and picture B. Let me show you your picture A and your picture B. So this is your picture A and this is your picture B. Tell me which one is quality control and which one is quality assurance. I know you're thinking, but the correct answer is supposed to be quality control is your picture B. So this would be your quality control. Why? Because of inspecting that is happening to say these are finished products. As we can see, the soft drinks now are closed, meaning they are ready to be taken to the customer. But then when you are looking into picture A, they are inspecting the taste over the texture and the color of the soft drink. So that would be quality assurance. So that is your quality assurance, because the checks are carried out during the process of making the product. But when we look into quality assurance with picture B, this is the final product that is ready to be used by the consumer. So they're inspecting to measure the performance. They are also checking if the raw material was mixed properly. Hence, we are talking about meeting the standards for a final product. So with that said, let us take a short break so that we can continue with the other concepts.